In this video, we'll talk about a small but very real problem in SwiftUI. When you use on tap gesture inside a grid layout, sometimes SwiftUI doesn't register the tap correctly. You might tap on one image, but SwiftUI will trigger the one above or below it. This usually happens when you tap near the edge of an image. To fix this, we'll use contentShape. It makes sure that the tap area matches exactly what the user sees and nothing else. This is a simple array called images. It holds a list of images using the image resource type. These are images from your asset catalog. Those are just the image names. We'll use this array to show the image grid on screen. This is a state variable. State lets SwiftUI update the UI automatically when this value changes. The variable is called selectedImage. Its type is image resource with question mark, which means it's optional. It can hold an image or be empty. We set it to nil at the beginning, so no image is selected when the view starts. This is a lazy V-grid, which lays out views in a vertical grid. We set it to have 2 columns with spacing between each item. Inside, we loop through the images array using faux reach and show each image. Each image is made resizable, scaled to fill, given a fixed height, and clipped with rounded corners. We add an on-tap gesture, so when the user taps an image, it updates selected image. This part checks if selected image has a value. If it does, we show a dark background and a large version of the selected image. The image is scaled to fit, with a fixed height and rounded corners. When the user taps this image, we reset selected image back to nil, which hides it again. Now here's the problem. If you tap near the edge of an image, especially the top or bottom, SwiftUI sometimes selects the wrong image. It might select the one above or below, not the one you touched. This happens because SwiftUI doesn't know exactly where the tappable area should be. To fix this, we add contentShape with rectangle to the image. This tells SwiftUI, use this exact shape as the tappable area. Now, even if you tap on the edge, it will always select the correct image.